Hello and welcome. My name is Sanam Mechandani and I will take you through the Star Health Insurance IPO details which opened for subscription today. The buzz around it is due to it being the first pure play health insurance company. The company is raising 7,250 crore through this IPO. The price band has been set at 870 to 900 rupees per share. The IPO is a mix of fresh issues of equity shares and an offer for sale by existing shareholders. The fresh issue size of the IPO is 2,000 crore and the rest is offer for sale. Well-known investor Rakesh Jhunjhunwala backs it, but he will not be selling his 14.98% stake in Star Health and Allied Insurance. Now, talking about the interest around the IPO, the grey market premium of Star Health has declined sharply to below 10 rupees from 90 rupees last week. The recommendation of the brokerages on the IPO is also varied. For example, Choice Broking has a subscribe with caution recommendation on it, while Angel One termed the valuation as fair and gave a subscribe with a long-term perspective rating to the IPO. Let's listen in to Ajit Mishra, Vice President Research at Religare Broking, to know more about the IPO.
So the Indian health insurance markets continue to be underpenetrated with the health insurance penetration of around 0.4% of GDP in 2019 as compared to the global average of around 2% of GDP. And now several demographic factors, including the increasing life expectancy and the population growth in India, as well as the high portion of this out-of-pocket expenses as a percentage to the total healthcare expenditure by the patients in India, are driving the need for the healthcare services and the growth for the health insurance industry. And this trend has accelerated by the prospects of hospitalization due to COVID. So the gross direct premium for the health insurance is expected to grow at a CAGR of around 18% over the next 4 years, and within this the retail business is expected to grow at a CAGR of around 23% between FY21 to 25. The Star Health stands to benefit from the positive industry growth trend given its prominent position in the retail health segment, and it has one of the largest and well-spread distribution network in the health insurance industry and an integrated ecosystem as well. And it offers a range of flexible and comprehensive coverage plans. And the company's financial performance was definitely impacted in FY21 due to the pandemic, but going ahead, they have intended to enhance their positioning by leveraging to their strong brand name, and it aims to boost their existing distribution channel and develop the alternate channels as well. So at the same time, they are focusing on product innovation and providing value-added services.
Health insurance penetration in India is very low, while people are becoming more aware of health insurance and its benefits. Therefore, the opportunity of scale is very high, and being pure health insurance player, Star Health deserves premium. However, the valuations looks a little expensive based on recent performance. The company has mixed set on financial over the last 3 years, where the company's GWP gross written premium has increased over the years, while the company suffered a loss in FY20. However, it was doing well until COVID hit last year. Rising competition is another challenge, but pie continues to increase for the industry, and Star Health has the potential to take a big chunk. It may not reward investors on listing day, but in the long run, it has the potential to create good wealth for the investor. And I believe it may garner institutional interest, especially from FIS post-listing on the back of pure play in the health insurance space. So I would recommend those who are looking for listing gains should avoid, and long-term investors should apply in this IPO.
This is the first big IPO in the stock market after Paytm, which had a very rough start after listing. Stay tuned, and we hope that this video gave you clarity on whether to invest in the IPO or not.